Hi, this is a short introductional video on how to apply the Fotonit coating on the Hublet tablet and the Hublet docking station display. Before the Fotonit coating, thoroughly clean the device display, for example, with a screen wipe. Spray 3 applications of the Fotonit to the front cover of the whole Hublet tablet and apply the coating with the supplied cloth. A very thin layer of coating is sufficient. After applying, allow to dry for 4 hours. Repeat the steps for the back cover of the Hublet tablet. To coat the Hublet Smart Docking Station, first thoroughly clean the docking station display with a screen cleaning wipe. Next, spray 3 sprays of the Fotonit and apply it with the cloth. Allow to dry for 4 hours. If some of the Fotonit substance is left over, you can use it on the Hublet Smart Docking Station to protect other surfaces. After the 24 hours, you can place the Stay Safe Hublet sticker on the docking station. The coating may leave a faint visible layer on the surface of the device. This layer evens out with use. The device can be wiped and cleaned normally, for example with a microfiber cloth, 48 hours after treatment. We recommend renewing the coating every 12 months. Thank you.